We're here at Damoda's test facility here in Shenzhen.
During our visit to Shenzhen, the global drone capital, we visited Damoda. Damoda is the world's largest drone swarm company. They are the world record holders for most drones in flight simultaneously at a shocking 3,051 drones.
At our visit, we were received by the CEO, Mr. Liu, and his team. Mr. Liu and his team then presented about how to conduct a drone show, which was a very impressive, eye-opening experience.
We then presented about the Phoenix Squadron and our many developments and advancements in drone technology. Mr. Liu was particularly interested in our solution to the DJI Telos thermal overheat, which we custom designed a base plate for the drone which allowed for greater air intake into the drone's heat exchanger.
Shortly afterward, we met some of the animators, who gave us a first-hand look at designing a drone show, from making a mask of the design to simulating the whole drone show, and let us try our hand at the 3 steps.
We first learned how to make a mask of the design, which involved using Adobe Photoshop to outline and trace the design, then exporting it into Autodesk Maya, which would equally distribute 150 circles, which would represent our drones. Finally, we fine-tuned the spacing of the drones before putting all the designs through their proprietary path planning software and simulating it, which was all designed by Damoda itself.
Not long after, we went to Damoda's test facility, where we got a look at their workshop and had a go at disassembling and seeing what was under the hood of one of Damoda's drones. We also were able to see some of their other varieties of drones, such as lantern drones and a very exquisite gunship drone. We then walked to the airfield, which was only a short distance from their test facility. We were able to see the equipment that was presented on earlier and were blown away as the whole swarm came online, lights shining bright.
We also were able to walk through the massive squadron of drones, and on that note, we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the spectacular once-in-a-lifetime drone show experience.
The Phoenix reaches for the stars.